Morning, guys. Morning. Hope everyone's doing good. Okay, guys. Okay, so today I'll show you something again. You remember I did something relating to the gold strategy that I've developed, something that I found on gold. So this thing is there. If you can check any symbol, you'll find this thing. You just need to give yourself time and look into this thing. There's a pattern that always happens on a daily basis. You understand? So now we'll be looking at a currency pair. You understand? I'll show you something in the morning. There's a pattern. You understand? You just need to know. Like, for me, I think these things, like, they are time based. You understand? Because there's this strategy or concept that's called AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. All of those things, like, they happen during like sessions. You understand? So there's like sessions, and those things are there. You understand? Like, they use the sessions. So if the Asian session is going to, what's this thing, accumulate, then the London session will manipulate, then New York session will distribute, vice versa, all of those stuff. You understand? I want to also show you for gold that I'm not playing with y'all, guys. I use the same strategy on a daily basis. Before we get into a currency pair, I want to show you something for gold. It hit stop loss yesterday. It's one of the, like, this thing is always there. It always happens on a daily basis, guys. The pattern is always there, and it happens the same way every day. Look at this thing, guys. You see, price went up, it came down, eventually hit my stop loss, then it went up. You see, when it goes up, as I said in the previous video, you take your profit right around the zone. You don't wait for it to take out it, because sometimes it doesn't. Every time, I'll show you all. There's a video that I did before of this thing. You see where it rejected, then it went down again, as you all can see, then it went up. You know, sometimes it doesn't go up again, it goes down on the opposite direction, like this one. Check the sign. This was the video that I was doing relating to the strategy, if you'll remember. You understand? It tapped. After tapping, it did what? It pushed up. It didn't break this high. You understand? It pushed up, then it went down. You understand? Before breaking, then it went up again. You understand? This thing is always there. It's always the same pattern. Like, you take advantage of that move real quick. You understand? Same applies for this one. It gave me a tap right around it. It pushed up. You understand? As you can see, it didn't break this high. It came down again. It pushes up again. You understand? Like, the pattern is always there on a daily basis, guys. Like, you take advantage of that small pattern. You understand? You take advantage of that small pattern. That's what you should be aiming for on a daily basis, guys. You understand? So right around here, it happened differently. I took a sell, then I had to take a buy. My price didn't tap. Like, this video, there's everything. You can go and check, go and look. So today we'll be focused on EURUSD, and I think the movement has already happened from what I saw. So, guys, these things are there on a daily basis, guys. You just need to know the time. Just need to understand the pattern, guys. So for EURUSD, there's something that I saw. This thing is moving. Like, this thing, what happens? Yeah, you see. Okay, there's something that I want to also show you. I think I did show you relating to a candlestick that's a different color of these other candlesticks, because you highlight this candlestick. I think I did. I don't know if I did do a video of me explaining this thing, but before, this is what I normally would do. You understand? Because this is what happens on a daily basis, guys. You, like, for EURUSD, there's an opening before London session. You understand? What happens before London session? Price might sweep the previous low, then seek the previous, but it's not something that happens on a daily basis. So since you all know that EURUSD, what happens is it opens, it seeks the London high, the Asian high or the Asian low. You understand? Then it moves on the opposite direction, or it moves on its original direction. So let me show you something, guys. You need to pay attention of this candlestick. You see this candlestick? If you can move on the lower time frame, this candlestick, this is an indecision candlestick. You find that there are small candlesticks right around this one. You understand? So what you do is you highlight this candlestick. You understand? The pattern is always there, like on a daily basis. And what's around that candlestick? It's a fair value gap. Although it's mitigated, but it's a fair value gap. So price is likely to retrace right around that zone as it's retracing now. Let me show you all something, guys. You all think I'm joking. These things are there on a daily basis, guys. You just need to know what you're looking for. these things are there, guys. This thing is easy, guys. Like, if you give yourself time, put in the effort, put in the work. I did this thing, guys. It took me only, I think this year it's a year. Yeah, it's a year. But I started this thing like last year. It's been months. So probably now it's a year. Like, look at this candlestick. If you move down to the lower time frame, these candlesticks are small candlestick indecision, and if you can check what's right around that candlestick, you might find there's a strong support zone. You understand? Support or resistance right around that candlestick, right around that zone. You understand? Because if you can check, price rejected right around this zone. Check this week. You understand? There's a week right around here. You understand? Then price went down, it went up, it came back right around that zone. You understand? Here, this is the candlestick indecision right around the zone. Then price went up again. You understand? Failing to break, it went down. So the patterns are there on a daily basis, guys. Move down to the lower time frame, 3 minutes. What do you see? As I said before, indecision, like small candlesticks. You understand? So you can take your entry and you look what's around the small candlestick. There's a fair value gap that hasn't been mitigated. There's a fair value gap again that hasn't been mitigated. So what are you anticipating? Price to at least retrace right around this fair value gap, right around this indecision. You understand? Or this fair value gap. But I'll be using this indecision for the day. And then I said, what's around that indecision? If you can see, price went up. This is the week that I was talking about on the 15-minute time frame. Price went down. It went up. It came back right around that zone. If you can see, it's the same zone. You understand? Here, that's where price is rejecting. It went up. It came back down. Almost right around that zone. It went up. It went down. It went up again. It came back right around the zone. That's where the indecision came in. You understand? Price pushed down, pushed up. So right around the zone. That's where, like, this is a confirmation, a clear confirmation. Just put your line, your horizontal line, probably up like this. You put your horizontal line right around that zone. You understand? Because that's where price has been. That's where price is. And if you can move to the higher time frame, you find that this zone, there's weeks that are left behind, telling you that there's a rejection right around the zone. You understand? So guys, these things are easy. As you can see, there's a wick right around the zone showing you all what rejection, price rejection. As you all can see, there's no, like, guys, this thing is easy. It's always there on a daily basis. As you can see, price came to the zone. What's EURUSD doing now? It's pushing down. You target this low. You understand? You target this low or you target this low. There's a new end. If you can check from that low, there's also indecisions right around there. So price is likely to go back to the zone, because if you can move to the higher time frame, you might find the same pattern. It's going to be a different candlestick. You understand? You might find this different color candlestick. This thing is there, guys, on a daily basis. Look at this thing. You eat something on a daily basis, guys. You just put your entry, stop loss above this fair value gap, then you're done. You target this low. Nice and easy. You just ate something in the morning. You understand? Even price has to take out this low. Either way, it sweeps, it goes up, seeking whatever it's seeking there, then it comes back down. You understand? Like, just imagine you woke up in the morning around 8, before 8 a.m. South African time. You spot your entry, you spot everything. You take your, what's this thing you trade, target this low. You are done for the day. Even if you can, like, you can go full margin, you are done. You can take profit. You understand? Like, these things are there, guys. These things are there. So for this side, okay, there's no previous color candlestick. Probably it's there on the 1 hour or the 30 minutes or whatever. But I don't use those other time frames, and I only use these time frame 1, 3, 5, 15, and 4 hour. You understand? Because for me, I know what I'm looking for, and I like the lower time frame, because before anything happens on the higher time frame, it has to start on the lower time frame. You understand? So check this thing, guys. This is the zones that I was telling you about. Can you see it? This horizontal line. Price came around the horizontal line. It didn't, okay, the body closed, but remember, it didn't, like, give us enough momentum to show that, you know what, we're pushing up. The same candlestick again, it broke, it left the wick right around the zone. It didn't give us what, full confirmation. Or you can move it, place it straight right around, what's this thing, these weeks. It's one and the same thing, guys. It's one and the same thing. The pattern is there. What you do is you put your stop loss, your, what's this thing, your measurements. You understand? This thing is easy. It's there on a daily basis, guys. It's there on a daily basis. Stop loss right around this zone. Like, it's not always, price won't always hit your stop loss when you're using the strategy. As also for gold, it's a slight tap, you understand? You can even like hold, you understand? Or if you want to, what's the thing? You maximize your loss. There's something that will, you see this line on the rectangle box. If you can check for gold, I use this line, you understand? Because I know prices to at least come and fill this box or whatever. If there's an indication, it has to fill at least 50% of this rectangle box. So what do? I draw a straight line right around this rectangle box, you understand? Then that's where I put my entry, you understand? Then stop loss slightly above, right around this zone, or I can put it right around this zone. That way, like price doesn't hit my stop loss. If you all can check gold, that's what I've done. Usually I do this because I don't like throwing a lot of stuff on my chart. You understand? I don't like a dirty chart. I like something clean. Just draw a straight line. That's what I do normally. To just draw a straight line. Do this. Then remove this box. You understand? So take my entry, put it right around here. As you can see, put it right around here. Targeting this low. So guys, this is for educational purposes only, you understand? Like, the patterns are there. If you are like, you are willing to, if you can give yourself time, learn these things, the patterns are there, guys. Like, I'm not joking with you. I'll show you all again, probably with a different pair of symbol, probably USD, US 100. You just need to know the movements, guys. These things are always there on a daily basis. As I said before, you can choose to not even wait for price to take hit TP. As soon as it probably reaches this low or wherever, you take half of your profit. You take your stop loss, you put it to break even. You ate something. It's better than nothing. Each and every single day, these things are there, guys. The patterns are always there. You understand? I think I'll wait before or I'll just upload this video and we'll be back with the after results, because this is what happens on a daily basis, guys. I'm not lying to you all, guys. This is what happens on a daily basis. Euro USD, take advantage before what? Before the London Open. 1 hour before the London Open. You understand? You take advantage of that wind. You make your profit. The rest of the day you are done. You're relaxed. You're doing nothing. You understand? So yeah, guys, it's there on a daily basis. Even if you can go to yesterday, you'll find the pattern that it's there, but the video is going to be long. Even if you can go to yesterday, the pattern is always there, guys. It's always there. Just need to know the time. That's the only thing that you need to know. Just need to know the time. The pattern is always there. It's something that I know. It's something that I'm sure of. You understand? So yeah, guys, I'm done for like me trading this thing. I'm done for the day. Just take my entry, make profit real quick, then I'm out. You're done for the day. You eat. This thing is possible, guys. Give yourself time. You can do it like I did it. You understand? Don't complicate stuff. Just learn the basic support and resistance. Yeah, just like, this thing is easy, guys. I don't know how to explain this thing, but this thing is easy. You understand? Like, if you want to know more, you can, like, there's a PDF that I learned from. It's called the trading, what's this thing? The candlestick trading Bible. You understand? That's the holy grail. That's a PDF that I that I took everything that I know from. You understand? Because these concepts are confused. There's a lot of things. I think they use fancy words to confuse you. You understand? Because if you're using support and resistance, this thing is always there on a daily basis. And what I like with support and resistance, also on the lower time frame, you can trade this thing. You understand? You trade this thing on the lower time frame. You eat, you are done. And I think I need to start doing YouTube videos, because a lot of people are asking me to explain these things to them, because it didn't take me like years or what. This thing is easy, guys. Just put in their work. Stop having excuses. Stop distracting yourself, consuming a lot of information. Just stick to one concept or one strategy, or learn two. Like, if you want to learn like multiple concepts, choose one, learn it, understand it. After you're done, move to the next one, learn it, understand it. After you can move like that, you understand, until you find something or strategy, until you'll be able to use everything that you've learned on the chart. Because I know SMC, I don't know ICT fully, but they use the same concept, SMC and ICT. I did learn ICT, just that I didn't finish the videos because ICT was boring, you understand? So SMC, price action, it's something that I use on a daily basis. You understand? Also the candlestick patterns, because I know the candlesticks, I know how candlesticks move. So as I was able to identify this area, you understand, the way I was able to identify the zone. So as you all can see, guys, price is pushing. This thing is there on a daily basis, guys. I'm not lying to you all, guys. I'm not lying to you all. I'm not going to sell you something that's not there, something that's a lie. No, guys. Just put in the work, guys. Just learn. These things are there. As you all can see, price is pushing. It's gaining momentum. So please, guys, put in the work, guys. Or even if you can maximize your stop loss, like, or you wait till price hits this low right around here, the low, then you take your profit. You are done for the day. You are done. Like, guys, come on, guys, look at this thing. Look at this thing. How much you would have made? Like, look at this thing. Early in the morning. Early in the morning, guys. Early in the morning. Everything it's happening as I'm predicting it, guys. Like, come on, guys. Put in the work, guys. Put in the effort. If you need everything from me, my numbers are available. Check them on my bio. I'll show you everything. If you're looking for the easy way out, guys, let me explain something. There's no other way than paying, guys. You need to pay, and you need to find someone that's going to teach you the right stuff. You understand? Not someone that's going to teach you the wrong stuff. You understand? Because these things, guys, these things are there, guys. Look at this thing. Come on, guys. You must give me my flowers. Come on, guys. We'll do this thing again. I'll be back with the gold results, I think, later in the afternoon. Because I only trade gold. You understand? Because I found even Euro, I can trade EURUSD in the morning around these times. Then later I trade gold. You understand? Just that in the morning I'm sleeping. I woke up early, but I go back to sleep. But I just wait for gold, eat on gold. After I'm done for gold, I go to sleep. You understand? So yeah, guys, I think that's about it. Let's see if we'll hit the zone before this video ends. Like, even right around here, take your profit. Like, look at this thing, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Like, also this, you can use this thing to scalp. This is a quick scalp. Every day the pattern is there, guys. Every day. Like, there's an opening, there's always those slight opening, there's always what's this thing, those things there on the chart. You just need to know when and where. Like, I won't expose everything, guys, so you know what. Yeah, guys,